with another one.
Facts. Raindrops. Umbrella can't protect so much rain. Just like motherfuckers keep on throwing third on your fucking name. So you put the umbrella up, man, trying to keep the fucking water from getting you, man. That just like motherfucker looking at you crazy, looking at you dirty, got shit to say. Hey, I'ma keep on putting my motherfucking umbrella up, and I'm hoping that it stops this fucking rain. Well, everybody gotta realize, man, in life everybody gon' get wet, man. So I got my umbrella up, hoping that the umbrella keep all this motherfucking rain off me, and keep my name out of motherfucking mouth, man. It's just like the same thing, routine, seem like motherfucker, it's like a fucking dream. It seems like when I'm sitting on the porch, it seems like I'm just trying to make it, but that motherfucking rain be pouring down, man. I'm just hoping that I can stay dry, man. I hope that my mind stay clear, man, because if it don't, man, y'all niggas go wish that I got my umbrella up. Y'all fucked up, now I'm clear what? I'm more dangerous when I was motherfucker smoking that boat, now I show love. I'm motherfucking on point, nigga. Hey, don't you see that hard point? Motherfuckers, I keep on telling y'all niggas, y'all don't fuck with me. So I got my umbrella up, hoping it keep me dry. And I hope motherfuckers keep my name out their mouth, stop doing dirt on it. Hey, man, hey, I'm just trying to make it, but the motherfucker, sometimes the storm comes strong, and I can't even get my umbrella up fast enough to protect myself. But what the fuck, if you a man, you been through shit, ain't strange when niggas talk shit, but it's fucked up when it come from your own family, your friends, and so-called thugs. Got my umbrella up, nigga, do you think I give a fuck? Yeah, I ain't tripping about getting wet, nigga, keep on talking, I'ma wet your ass up.
With another one.
Facts. Raindrops. Umbrella can't protect